Hi, my name is Todd Harbert. I'm the owner of Lifehouse Homes, and today I'm going to be showing you our Stockton model. I'll walk up here. This is our 1,411 square foot ranch model, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. And the exterior you see here is all standard, other than the 3-car garage you just saw. I'll walk in here. This house is actually closing today, so it's nice and shiny for you. Take my shoes off. Walk in. Now this house is basically built to standard, other than it has hardwood floors throughout. So normally what you'd be seeing here would be ceramic tile. That's the living room area, which would be carpet normally. But this is all an open concept. Ceiling fans. Standard kitchen. Come in. There's the dining area. Back up here. All the way in the corner. You can see the kitchen. Island. It's an 8-foot island. Those are standard maple cabinets. There's a linen closet, not a linen, I'm sorry, pantry. Pantry door, and I'm gonna come over here so you can get a view from the dining area, dinette area. Looking out the back window, or back patio. Standard landscaping package. So we're gonna go down the hall, hallway. There's a coat closet right here. Coat closet. Then you have the main bath. Standard tile. Standard tub shower in the main bath. Like I said, 3-bedroom home. This is the first bedroom. And then we're gonna come to second bedroom. Nice sized bedrooms. They're not tiny by any stretch. They're approximately 11 by 11, 11 by 12. Then you're gonna have the laundry room here. Like I said, standard tile throughout. Laundry area. Rough in for a future laundry tub if desired. You can go right at the garage here. Garage door openers are standard. Insulated garage doors are standard. This homeowner opted to have the walls insulated on the inside. So really there's 3 options here. It's the insulation in the garage, the 3rd-car garage, and the hardwood throughout. We're gonna go back, and we're gonna go in the master bedroom. Master bedroom is a good size. Has some uniqueness to it to allow for dressers and such. I'm gonna go to the corner windows here and I'm gonna show you that. Turn around. Save a spot there for a dresser. Where you're coming in there as well. There's a spot for a dresser there. Then you have plenty of room for a king-size bed with plenty of room to walk around. Standard bathroom, master bath I should say, has a linen closet. Walk through into the closet. And then from the closet you can see, and then there's a standard shower. Not a tub, but a shower. That's a standard shower. So then from here, we'll go down into the basement. Basements are included. It's right off the hall. Standard poured concrete 8-foot basement. We're gonna go downstairs. And the stairs kind of split the basement, so there's 2 sides, which is kind of nice. Forgot to turn the lights on. Here we go. So there's one half that could be used, you know, maybe for a future bedroom. And the other side that you could finish out and use for like a rec room or such. Maybe, and then there's a rough-in bath, which is always included for a future bath. Come back. It's a big basement. If you have any questions, you can always go to lifehousehomes.com. You'll find information on all the homes we build, pricing, all the information is on there. You could also call 219-696-6314 for more information. That's all I got. Thanks for watching.